Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. And as you can tell by the title, how to make slime is what you're going to be needing is a plastic bag, Swab Kids kind of shampoo, but whatever kind of shampoo is fine. I will put what you need in the instructions, well, yeah, and the description. But I'm just using Swab Kits because I saw somebody do it and it worked and got really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. But you're gonna hold on, I need to drink water. Okay, so we're drinking the smart water. Get it? Because the water's smart. I'm just kidding. But, so yeah, so you're going to want to take your, oh crap, sorry guys. Okay. Your Swab Kids, and you're going to want to leave it like overnight. And so that you can see how it turns out to be in the morning. But I'm only going to, use that much. Excuse me again, because I don't want it to be like overflowing. So yeah. Also, comment down below if you guys did this and this worked. But I saw the girl that I do it, the girl that did it, and what she did is she like actually mixed it up, which made it better. But see, I would have stopped the video so I could like show you guys tomorrow what it looks like. But unfortunately, I don't know how to, so I can't. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and set that aside. And yeah, can you guys see me? I'm not sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if I did or not. It's just I'm kind of enjoying making it. I don't know why, but just because I like make slime. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. Love you guys. Subscribe. Bye.